This is Corinne, age 13 months. Hey. Can you wave hey? Hey. Bubbles. Yay, Bubbles. Bubbles. Clap. Yay. High five. High five. All right. Go, go, go. Go, go, bath time. Yay! This is the highlight of our day. After this, we put on warm jammies and go to sleep. You dancing? Is that your happy bath time dance? Wash your hair. Where's your hair? Where's your eyes? Where's your eye? That's your ear, silly. Here's your eye. Where's your eye? Eye. There's your seahorse. Oh, and your toes. We can do this little piggy. This little piggy went to market. This little piggy stayed home. This little piggy ate roast beef. And this little piggy had none. And this little piggy cried, wee, 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 all the way home. Bye, little piggies. Yay for piggies. Piggies gotta get clean too. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Night-night. Thank you, Johnson & Johnson.